Hey guys, thank you for joining me. So as you can see, I have a bunch of pens. So this is just going to be a super quick video just showing my pen haul. So these are some Sharpie highlighters. I guess it normally comes in a pack of 4, but they gave an extra one. And then these right here are the Papermate inkjoys, and I believe I have used these before. I can't remember, but guys, I'm a pen hoarder. I am always buying pens, and I always, most of the time, buy them in a set of colors. This right here is the Jelly Roll, and they're made by Sakura, and these are the glossy 3D colors glaze. I guess it's shiny, and I think it's raised just a little bit or whatever, and as you can see, people have used them to decorate. Looks like canvas, and then this looks like some sort of a ornament. And so it says it works on plastic, coated paper, glass, and metal. So I am very curious to see how these will work in my planner. And then while I was at the office supply store, I saw these Vera Bradley pens, and I think they were about $15 or $20. I can't remember exactly, but I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna get these. And they come in a pack of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it's a pack of 12. Oh, it says $18. I don't know why I thought 15 or 20, but it was $18. And I like that it has a whole bunch of colors. Now I'm not sure how they write. So if you guys want me to do a video on how these write, then just let me know and I'll consider doing that. And if you guys have any video topics, just let me know. Write them in the comments, or you can email them to me. So yeah, that is it, guys. Just a really quick video about these pens. So you have a good day, and please consider subscribing if you have not already done so. And join me on all my social media with Lynn at Home, as well as my website and blog. And that website address is At Home with Lynn, so it's kind of the opposite. So you have a great day, guys. Bye.